Welcome my people. This field trust welding and fabrication. So we are here and this is our connection. So I wanted to show you guys how this connection look like. Before we go on, I wanted to show you guys. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. uh, to my YouTube channel. I'm BM in Africa. My name is Sleepy. Welcome my people, welcome again and again. You can see there is a light there, so you are going to make it off. So we turn it on again, like you see. Wow, beautiful. Thank you so much my people. This is my connection, and that's where out there. This is an African welding workshop look like, I can see this this a straw here. You see a straw here, there. That's an, have you see? Welcome my people again and again. Look at my YouTube channel. This normal toolbox for storing storage, and you have another one here. Also here we have another toolbox. We have a saving box. If you see, this is a saving box, but it's empty, nothing inside. All right. If you can see here, we have some. These are fabricated, already fabricated, but not complete. If you see, we have this black sheet, uh, 50 by 50 millimeters square tube hollow, and also you have this one for 3/4. This one the binding, for the binding, right? See, that's beautiful. Everything is okay inside here. Have you see this real fabricated door? And this way you are going to put some glasses here.